Welcome back, students. So today we are going to talk about asking for and giving directions. If you have to ask to someone regarding some directions, so how would you ask or how would you give answer to other person? So first, raise your hand, and once you move on your left side, and once you move your right side. Okay, so before going further, just take a quick review, such as in previous lecture, you have studied about prepositions. Okay, so I'm giving you 30 seconds for this. So speak it loudly and say these sentences like the bank is next to the park and the shop is between the bank and cafe. And if you have made your own sentences and if you have made your own directions, you also can speak that, but you have to speak loudly. Okay. So today we are going to learn ask for directions politely, give simple directions. You will use command verbs like go, turn, take, and guide someone from A to B. Act with your hands. When I say turn left, now raise your hand and give a signal of left side. Turn right. Okay. Then you have to raise your hand and move from right side. Then go straight and stop. You just have to raise your hand for stop. So these are direction verbs. You have to listen this. As I say, you have to repeat after. Okay. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Cross the road. Stop. More direction words I'm going to explain now. These are the phrases. Take the first left. At the traffic lights. At the corner. Along this road. How do I get to? So, such as I have mentioned the phrase, take the first left. Okay. It's mean the first street on your left. Even you can say this one too. The first street on your left, you have to go there. Okay. And you also can say, take the first left. So these are different ways to communicate. So sometimes you will listen by saying people that you turn left. No, you just have to say turn left. This is native sound. Okay. You go straight. No, you have to say go straight on and take the first right. So connect with then and go straight, then turn left. And if you want to interrupt, okay, so you have to start with excuse me. It is also a polite way to address someone. Okay, like excuse me, how do I get to the station? It's mean how can I approach to station? Okay, so don't be confused in get to. Excuse me, where is the bank, please? So these are the pronunciation. How would you say? And the words that have been written in red color, you have to stress on these words like go straight, turn left, turn right, take the first left. So say commands clearly and confidently. Stress the action words. So follow the route, go straight along this road, take the second right. The cafe is on your left. And such as in previous lecture, I already told you that it is much better if you make your own route. Okay. And you just have to assume that someone is asking about a cafe or pharmacy or hospital or some kind of school that is in your surrounding. And how would you guide him or her? So you have to make 2 to 3 sentences like this. So this is a model conversation. How do I get to person A and person B? You can act as a person A, the other one, your partner, will play the role as B, and later you can exchange. Like person A, excuse me, how do I get to the hospital? Person B, go straight on, then take the first left. Person A, the first left, okay. Person B, the hospital is on your right, opposite the school. Person A, thank you so much. Person B, you're welcome. So this you have to make practice, like go straight along this road, take the second right. The cafe is on your left. So now you have to give the directions. Okay. You can choose according to your sentence. And you will mark in comments that what option did you choose. So this is breakout rooms, such as you already have been acted like this. So this is a tourist role play. Rooms of 2, you get a partner. Number 2, tourist, excuse me, how do I get to? You just have to mention or suppose some place. Number 3, local, give clear 3-step directions. How you would say to other person in 3-step directions and say thank you, and then swap roles. So where do you arrive? You also have to make practice of this. So start at the school and go straight. Take the first right, it's on your left. You arrive at the pharmacy. Okay, so this is what I have prepared. You can make it your own. So this is a quiz and you have to give answers of these in comment box. So these are the common mistakes that some people make. Like they say you go left. No, you have to say turn left. Okay. Just the verb you will start from. Go to straight. No, go straight. How I get to. No, you will say how do I get to. No, excuse me. No, you do not need to mention the no first. You would just say, excuse me, please. And after some practices, I hope that you will be able to ask for directions politely. You can give simple directions as well, and you can command verbs, and you can guide someone from A to B. So this is your homework. So directions to the nearest shop, step by step from your home, you have to tell. And must remember, you always have to speak loudly. Learn the directions phrases by heart. Go straight, turn left. So record your directions 60 to 90 seconds, and you have to give clear commands. I am very optimistic that you have learned many things. So wonderful work today. So see you next class. Take care. Bye bye.